Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful portal painting in simple 5 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. I have given all the link in the description. So in the first step we are going to use these colors. Before going to the first step we need to draw the portal. So here I am going to draw something like a shape of oval. Now I am going to attach this masking tape here. So I am going to attach the shape like the shape of the oval. So we have to be careful while doing this. We need exactly the shape of the oval. Except this part, we are going to cover the entire part in our canvas. So we are going to cover this part. In the first step, we are going to paint the deep night forest. So we actually need the color dark blue. So here I use the color Gopal blue mixed with a little bit of black. I am going to use this color here. I turn my canvas in this position for my convenience and I am going to apply this color. So you have to see we are going to apply the dark colors in the side. When we are going in the center, we are going to use more light colors. So you can see now I am applying the color Gopal blue. So without mixing any black, we have this raw Gopal blue color and I'm going to use this color here. So once we are going in the center of the canvas, we are going to use very light shade of blue. So here I use the color cerulean blue and I'm going to mix more white to the blue so that we have this light shade of blue. Now you can see I am applying the color. So we are going to use this method for the deep forest night sky. In the center of the canvas, we need a light shade of blue. So we are using more white to our blue. So we are going to repeat the same colors again from the dark colors. So you can see I am going to add more dark colors from this area. Once we finish painting the background, I will keep my canvas straight and I'm going to paint some trees here. So here I use the color Gopal blue and I'm going to paint some trees. So to paint trees, we actually need some lines. So here I am using my small size flat brush. So you can see I just tilt my brush like this. So in this position we have this long sweeping lines and now you can see I mix the color Gopal blue with a little black. So now we have some dark shade of blue. So I am going to use this color here. So you can see in the center we used many light colors. When we are going in the side of the canvas, we are using dark colors. Now you can see I am painting the branches. So while painting the branches, we actually need a very small branches. So use the small detailing brush you have. Here I am painting the ground of the forest, so we need the color black. So once we finish this, we are going to paint some bushes in this place. To paint the bushes, I use my regular dry flat brush and I am going to just tap my brush here to have this bush effect in our painting. In the second step, we are going to paint the portal. So before doing this, we need to peel off the mask from this canvas. Here you can see I just wet the canvas so we can easily spread the color on this canvas. So I am going to use neon colors for this portal background. So you can see I apply the color here and there in neon color, neon yellow, and I am going to use the color neon pink. Just tap the color here and there. So as our background is wet, we can blend the colors easily. I am adding more colors in the corner. So once we finish painting this, we are going to blend all the colors together. To paint this, I use my makeup brush to blend all the colors. So it is really useful to blend the colors using this technique. Adding more neon in the center, so we have a bright background for our painting. So you can see I'm just using the same makeup brush, and here I use the color neon pink around this portal. So we are going to use the color so it gives us some glow effect in our painting. So here I am paint the portal gate. So to paint that, I use the color black. Now in the third step, we are going to paint the scenery inside the portal. So here you can see I draw a horizontal line and I'm going to draw a castle here. Before that, let's add some white lines around this black corner so it gives a portal effort in our painting. Here you can see I already traced the image of the castle. You can check the image link in the description. So I am going to block the area first with the light purple, and later we can add some details here. For the pillar and the building, I use the color purple. Here I am going to paint the shadow in this castle. So you can see I am just adding the color purple and I am going to blend the colors together. So first we apply the color purple where we need this dark shadow, and I am going to blend all the colors together. If you are following my page for a long time, you might know that I paint from the suggestion of my followers and subscribers. So this time I received a suggestion like painting a portal that is opening into another world, and this was completely new to me. I was clueless. After searching some reference and ideas, I got this beautiful painting, and I hope you also like this painting. And please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting and how much this tutorial is really helpful to you. Now it's time to paint the door and windows. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. If you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Using the tip of my round brush, I am going to paint a tree here. So first we start with the trunk, and later we can paint some tiny branches. Whenever you paint a tree, don't just paint some straight line for the branch, add some curved lines, so this makes your painting more realistic. Using my fan brush, I am going to add the leaf foliage here. So first let's start with the color dark green. So once the color is completely dry, we are going to add the lighter colors on this. So I am going to add the medium green here. So you can see I am adding the medium green only in few area, and also we can add some grass texture in this ground. Adding the reflection makes the painting even more beautiful and realistic. So here I am adding the reflection of the castle and the forest. In the fourth step, we are adding the glowing effort from the portal. So here you can see I use the same neon pink color. So in this painting I use neon colors, so they are very vibrant and warm. So here I use the colors. So if you don't have a neon color, please get one, and it really make a huge difference in your painting. And I'm going to add only the colors to the side of the tree, and in this place now you can see I mix the color neon pink with a little white. I am adding this highlighted color only in the outer edge. Now you can see I am adding more colors here. So you have to remind one thing in your mind, that is the previous layer must completely dry, then you can add the next layer on this. Now let's paint some grass in this ground. So here I use the same flat brush to paint the grass. Now let's add some highlight only on the top. So here I use the color neon pink and more white. Let's paint few steps in this place, and here you can see I use the color black, and now I'm going to use the color neon pink. Now let's add some cute magical fireflies in this painting. So here you can see I'm going to paint some small circles, and I'm going to blend the circles only in the outer edge, and we are going to paint more circles in this painting. Now let's add some light color inside this and just blend the color. And here I mix the color neon pink with more white, and I'm going to blend this color like this. So in this way we can see some glowing effort in our painting. So once we finish this, now let's add a white dot in this painting. This white dot makes a huge difference in our painting. Now let's see the final look of our painting. I really love this painting, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.